Dati na, meron na tayong tinatawag na online service para sa ating mga iba't ibang mga dokumento na hinihingi ng ating mga kababayan. Nasabi mo na nga kanina, Miss Laurelyn, yung business name. Yung in charge sa business name noon, meron na silang digital payment platform. They had MOA with GCash. So, once you want to get your business name, you don't need to go to the DTI office anymore and pay. You can do it online, which is bnrs.dti.gov.ph, and pay it already. So you don't have to leave your shop, your store, or your business. Now, the other services ng DTI, partially online lang siya. So we have the iRegis platform. That's for the other certifications that the DTI issues. Katulad ng sa mga nag-i-import, meron tayong ICC mark. Saka meron din tayong PS mark. So, they can do the application online, pero the payment was still dun sa cashier namin dito sa May Makati.